left atria. Okay, in the left atria, okay, it is smaller than the right atria. Okay, here it receives the oxygenated blood. It receives the oxygenated blood. It receives oxygenated blood from the pulmonary veins. From pulmonary veins. The pulmonary veins are four. Here we can see these are 1, 2, 3, 4. Means from the right side, from the right lung, they receives two pulmonary veins, and from this left from the left lungs, they receives pulmonary veins. Means four veins are present. Okay, from the right side, and from the right lungs, they receives they contain two pulmonary veins, and from the left lungs they receives two pulmonary veins. Means total four pulmonary veins are present. Okay, here in the left atrium, in this region, means between the these are receiving chambers. In this region, that receives only deoxygenated blood. Here in this in the left side, only oxygenated blood is present. Here in between the two atria, these in this region, that are separated by left atrioventricular ventricular septum, and here these are separated by right atrioventricular septum. Here between the right atrioventricular septum, that contain the walls, that are called as AV walls, atrioventricular walls. Okay, here atrium and ventricles separated by atrioventricular septum. This septum contains AV walls, means atrioventricular walls, AV walls, atrioventricular walls. These walls, they are called tricuspid wall. Means they contain three cuspids. They contain like a tricuspid. So these are called as tricuspid walls. Okay, these are between the atria and ventricles, that contain the atrioventricular septum. Here in this region, that contain the tricuspid valve. Okay, here it is the tricuspid valve. And next, in the left side, it contain the between the atrioventricular left atrioventricular septum, it contain the bicuspid valve. Okay, it contain the left atrioventricular walls, that are called bicuspid walls, that are also called as a mitral valve. Okay, here left side, left atrioventricular, it is the right side, and it is the left side. Left side, that contain the left atrioventricular septum, contain the walls. They are called as a bicuspid valve. Means they contain two cuspids. Bicuspid valve, or they are also called as a mitral valve. What is that? They are called as a mitral valve. Now about the ventricles. Okay, ventricles, they are thick walled chambers. They contain thick walled chambers. Here the down chambers, they are called as ventricles. They contain the thick wall than these auricles. Here they are pumping chambers. They are pumping chambers. Means they pump the blood by contraction. Here they receive these chambers are receiving chambers. These are pumping chambers. So they contain more muscles. Here the left atria atrium is that contain more muscles than the right atrium, right ventricle. Here they contain the left ventricle contain the cardiac muscles that 3 times more than this right atrium, right ventricle. Okay, here means right atrium, right and left atrium that contain cardiac muscles, but here left atrium that contain 3 times more than that of cardiac muscles than the left right ventricle. Okay, and here these are separated by interventricular septum. These are separated by right and left ventricles are separated by interventricular septum. They contain interventricular septum. Okay, here in this ventricles they contain the muscles, they contain the ridges, means they contain the ridges like structures. Some are small ridges. Okay, here the muscles they are in small and large ridges. Small ridges they are called as here the small ridges they are called as columnae corneae. Okay, these are columnae corneae. And here the large ridges they are called papillary muscles. Means in them they contain small and large ridges. These ridges they are a small one, they are called columnae corneae, and large ridges they are called papillary muscles. Here what is the here both sides they contain, means left side right side and left side, both sides they contain. Here they contain the ridges. Here they what is the function of that one? They help to connect to the these walls, means here they contain the walls, tricuspid walls. Okay, here they are connected to the these walls, papillary and papillary muscles. They are connected to the tricuspid wall and the from of the right side, and these are connected to bicuspid wall, bicuspid, or that is also called as mitral wall at the left side. Okay, do you understand? Means here these papillary they contain strings like structures. They contain string like structures. They are connected to the these the bicuspid walls of the right side and tricuspid walls of the right side and bicuspid walls of the left side. These are called as strings. Okay, the heart strings they are called as cardiac tendinae. They help to prevent the closing of the opening and closing of these bicuspid and tricuspid walls. Prevent or regulate opening and closing of bicuspid and tricuspid walls.